Get ready for a super fun challenge. 3 mystery gift boxes are waiting for you. Red, green, and black. One of them might be tricky. Choose a pretty house. Pick your dream home. Choose your favorite supercar, speed, or style. Choose the prettiest birthday cake, sweetest surprise. Choose pretty lips, glam or natural beauty. Choose your favorite chair, comfort or classy. Choose your bedroom, cozy or royal style. Choose your office. Boss life starts here. Choose your bathroom. Relax in style. Choose a pretty mirror. Mirror, mirror magic. Choose your laptop. Work smart, play smart. Choose your headphones. Feel the music. Choose your favorite pizza. Cheesy happiness. Choose your dream smartphone. Smart choice, your luxury pick. Choose your favorite sneakers. Cool vibes only. Choose your favorite nails. Shine like a star. Choose your favorite diamond necklace. Luxury vibes only. Choose your bag. Fashion queen moment. Choose your crown. Royal queen or golden legend. Choose a cute night lamp. Soft glow vibes. Choose your favorite motorcycle. Ride in style. Choose the prettiest candle. Calm and cozy mood. Choose your water faucet. Small detail, big style. Choose your sofa, soft or stylish. Choose a ring to wear, elegant or extra. Choose your hairstyle, new look, new vibe. Choose the prettiest watch. Time to shine. Choose your vanity table. Glam zone unlocked. Choose your gaming room. Ultimate gamer setup unlocked. Choose your mouse. Speedmaster ya RGB power. Choose your dress. Elegant princess ya party star. Choose your castle. Fairy tale dream ya luxury empire. Choose your cycle. Cute ride ya sporty style. Choose your AirPods. Crystal clear sound ya premium vibe.